So I got a request if I could make bratwurst in the air fryer. So that is what I'm going to do today. The air fryer that I am using is a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. This is super easy and super delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. I just have some plain old original bratwurst here. I got this at Aldi's. Okay, now I did add about 1/4 of a cup of water to the bottom of the air fryer basket. So if these bratwurst smoke, the water will help eliminate most of that, hopefully. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay our bratwurst into the air fryer basket. So if you wanted cooked onions or peppers or both, go ahead and put them in the air fryer basket. I would put them in first and put the brats on top of it. All right, this is all the prep work we need to do. Let's go ahead and pop these into the air fryer. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes, I'm going to flip our bratwurst over. Okay, our 15 minutes is up and our bratwursts are done. I'm just going to show you what kind of hot dog buns I'm using. I'm using brioche. I got these at Aldi's. The reason why I picked these, because they are so pretty. Okay, this one's going to be mine. This one's going to be my husband's. Okay, I am going to take a bite of mine, but I can already tell you it's good because I had one earlier. I can honestly say that the air fryer cooks up the best bratwurst, at least in my opinion. That is so good. So there you go, super easy and super delicious. I hope you give this a try in your air fryer. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you click on that bell below, that'll notify you when I have a new video up. Also, on my YouTube page, check out the community section. I posted my new toy. I'm super excited. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and I'm curious to see how many of you have one of these. I'm thinking about doing 1 or 2 recipes a month using this beautiful machine. They will be posted during the week. They will not be on my regular Sunday time slot. So if you want, go ahead and check that out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.